Welcome back to the Military Defense YouTube channel.
In the 1970s, tensions were high between the United States and the Soviet Union. As the Cold War waged on, the need for a revolutionary fighter jet became a top priority. Enter the F-15 Eagle. This legendary aircraft was born out of panic, but would go on to revolutionize aerial combat. Its story begins with the MiG-25 Foxbat. This Soviet jet struck fear into the hearts of American pilots. Its ability to reach staggering speeds sent shockwaves through the Pentagon. The US needed an answer, and it needed it fast. And so, the F-15 was unveiled. Its design was a result of meticulous planning and state-of-the-art technology. The engineers left no stone unturned in their pursuit of a superior aircraft. From its unmatched agility to its formidable arsenal, the F-15 was built to dominate the skies. But it wasn't just its technical prowess that made the F-15 truly revolutionary. It was the concept behind the aircraft. The F-15 introduced the idea of an air superiority fighter, a specialized aircraft designed solely for air combat. This concept would change the face of aerial warfare forever. The F-15 Eagle quickly proved its worth. In countless simulated dogfights, it emerged victorious time and time again. Its capabilities far surpassed any expectations, solidifying its place as the most advanced fighter jet of its time. Today, the F-15 Eagle continues to serve as a stalwart defender of the skies, with various advanced variants ensuring its relevance in a rapidly changing world. It stands as a testament to the power of innovation born out of panic. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fascinating stories of innovation in history.